The second method of preparation is Bredig's arc method, which is also called your electrical disintegration. See, now we'll be doing two more methods. In both of these are the examples of disintegration method, in which we will be converting the suspension range particles to colloidal range. We will be breaking down large size particles to the colloidal range. The first of it in this is your Bredig's arc method, which is also called electrical disintegration method. It is mainly used for the preparation of metal soles. Now what we do is we take a trough, and in this we take a water or any suitable medium, and the metal whose basically the sole is to be prepared, it is taken in the form of electrodes, which is connected to electricity like this. Now this whole thing is kept in an ice bath to keep the temperature of the water low. Now what happens is, an electric arc is struck between these two metal electrodes. The intense heat produced due to this electric arc vaporizes the metal, and since this is happening in the solvent only, what happens is these vapors of the metal condenses in this only and forms what, like gold sole, or we can have silver sole like this. So the intense heat vaporizes the metal, and which condenses in the same medium to form the sole. The water bath is kept, ice bath is kept basically because it is keeping this, otherwise what will happen is because of the intense heat the water will vaporize. So in order to keep it in the same liquid state, it is kept in the ice bath. So it is mainly used for metal soles like this one. So it's called Bredig's arc method. The third method of preparation discussed is called peptization. It is again a sort of a disintegration method in which a suspension range particle is converted into a colloidal range. Now, as the name suggests, the method of converting precipitates to colloidal is called peptization. So it's the process of converting precipitates to colloidal. The best part is when we find that we have a ferric hydroxide precipitates, which we also know that this is how we form the precipitates of ferric ions in the group 3 in their salt analysis. If we put little bit of ferric chloride in this, what we find is that ferric hydroxide sole is formed. So this process of converting these precipitates to the colloidal by the addition of certain chemicals is called peptization, and these chemical added are called peptizing agents. So the chemicals which are actually responsible for this conversion are called peptizing agents. What practically is happening is the precipitates absorb certain specific ions from the peptizing agent on their surface, and they break down into smaller particles of a colloidal range, and this process is called peptization.